Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making easy stromboli. Alright, I'm starting out here on a sheet pan. I have parchment paper on it. I sprayed it with some cooking spray, canola oil. I'm using one of these pre-canned pizza crust. I'm using Walmart's brand. There's also, I believe, Pillsbury, but this is a better buy for your money. I'm going to start by taking my pizza crust and just cutting it on the sides, but don't go all the way through. And I'll have to take a knife and trim up the ends here because my pizza cutter won't go all the way through. Alright, now we're going to start to fill this. Now I have some deli ham here that I cut in little pieces. I'm going to put some of that in. And you can put anything you like in your stromboli. This is just what I'm putting in ours. And I'm just putting it right in the center here of the pizza crust. And I'm making two of them, so I'm trying to keep my ingredients equally distributed here. Now I have some pre-cooked bacon. I cut in little pieces. We're going to put some of that in there. Alright, I'm going to put some pepperoni in here. And guys, using a pre-made crust is going to be a really quick time saver. And who actually makes their own homemade pizza crust these days? Okay, now I'm putting the pepperoni in there. Throw a little extra in there. Alright. Now I have some peppers and onions here. I diced up and sauteed. Start them softening up. I'm going to get some of them in there. And I have some mushrooms. Sliced mushroom that I sauteed. Alright, now let me grab a spoon. I'm using jarred pasta sauce, but you could also use pizza sauce or marinara for this. I'm going to go ahead and put some sauce in here. Get it all sauced up. And then I'm going to add in some shredded mozzarella cheese. It's looking good. And some Italian seasoning. Let me grab a knife to trim up the edges of that dough. So we can fold this over, and don't spill your sauce all over the stove. Alright, now that I have my dough all trimmed up, you just want to take it and start folding it over, like so. Alright, now I'm going to get my second one done. I'm going to put this in a 425-degree oven for about 15 to 20 minutes till the dough is baked and golden brown and the cheese is all melted. My stromboli just came out of the oven. It took 20 minutes. It's nice and golden brown and the dough's all fluffed up. This is ready to go, guys. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. I took some of that leftover pasta sauce and warmed it up to dip this in. Let me dig in here, guys. And my crust is golden brown. It's cheesy. Dip this in that sauce and give her a try. It's really delicious, guys. All those flavors come together well. You get the vegetables, the cheese, the meats. It's really delicious. It wasn't that hard at all. And it's much, much more cheaper than buying at your favorite Italian restaurant. Alright, there you have it. Easy Stromboli. Thanks for watching and supporting me. And remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.